Hello everyone, welcome to this video where I'll introduce the exciting new features of the Brain Trainer software version 2.25. We've made significant improvements that we believe will enhance your experience and make your training sessions even more effective and enjoyable. Now let's jump into the details of this exciting update.
Let me walk you through the key improvements in Brain Trainer version 2.25. This update includes a redesigned interface, enhanced tools for training, and new customization options to make your experience even better. Let's explore each feature in detail. The first major improvement is a completely redesigned interface. It's visually modern, intuitive, and optimized for a better user experience. You can also switch between two interface modes, dark mode and light mode. To change this setting, go to the Settings menu, under the Appearance tab, and select your preference. By default, the software opens in dark mode. In the training screen, you'll notice the menu is divided into 5 key sections. Device configuration, feedback configuration, session control, training parameters, navigation buttons. Here are the highlights of what you'll find in these sections. Select and configure your device. Test the signal quality. Adjust the number of channels. Toggle linked references. Choose your feedback type. Feedback settings. Select music. Mute and unmute. Audio feedback configuration. Manage session controls like record, play pause, and stop, as well as session timing options, including breaks. View the statistics panel to monitor key parameters. Access specific training design settings, like protocol presets and the expandable oscilloscope. Open the manual in your browser directly through the Help button, and easily navigate back to the main menu with the Back button. The statistics panel has been enhanced to give you deeper insights during your sessions. It now includes 3 tabs: frequency bands, parameters, and spectrogram, which is our newest addition. The spectrogram provides a dynamic visual representation of frequency changes over time, offering a new level of detail for tracking your session's progress. We've also added configuration menus to key components like the trend graph, spectrum, threshold, and spectrogram. Simply right-click on any of these components and select Open Menu to access a variety of settings, such as graph ranges, time span, colors, titles, and general functionality adjustments. Currently, these customizations cannot be saved, but this functionality will be included in an upcoming update.
And that wraps up our quick tour of the new features in Brain Trainer version 2.25. We're excited to hear your feedback and see how these updates enhance your training experience. If you have any questions or suggestions, don't hesitate to reach out to us. Thank you for watching and happy training! See you in the next video.